Okay, now student, here in this video we will try to find out which of these items will use the units. We will use the units either in centimeter, either in square centimeter, or in square meter, or in square kilometer. Okay, so these are the items given here, and we will try to find out whether we will use square centimeter, or we will use square meter, or we will use square kilometer. So first one is given handkerchief. So when we use handkerchief, we will write it in square centimeter, because handkerchief is very small, so we will use a smaller unit, that is square centimeter. Sari basically we use in square meter. Okay, when we measure sari, then we use the unit meter. Okay, so we use square meter. Page of your book. So page of your book, basically we will use centimeter. Okay, page of our book is very small, so we will use centimeter, and in this case we will use square centimeter. Okay, school land. In case of school land, we will not use centimeter because it is bigger size, so we will use meter. Basically we will use the unit meter when we measure the land of our school, the land of our house. Okay, at that time we use meter. Okay, so we use square meter. Next one is land of a city. Total land of a city. So total land of a city, definitely it is a very bigger size, and that time we will use square kilometer. Kilometer unit we will use at that time. Okay, when we measure the land of a particular city, that time we use square kilometer. Okay, next, door of your classroom. So if we measure door of our classroom, we will use meter. Okay, definitely we use the unit meter, that means square meter. We will use chair of a seat. Chair seat we will basically use centimeter. Okay, chair seat we will use centimeter. Blackboard, the blackboard of our school, definitely we will use meter. Okay, definitely we will use the unit meter when we measure blackboard, so it is square meter. Indian flag we will use centimeter. Okay, Indian flag, when we measure the size of Indian flag, we will use square centimeter. Land over which a river flows, definitely we will use kilometer. Okay, on which the river flows, the land on which the river flows, we will use kilometer because it is a bigger size. Okay, so this is the video that we have made it, and we use these units when this type of items are used. So when it's a very small, the component is very small, or the item is very small, we basically use centimeter. If the size is little bit bigger, not very large, bigger, it is bigger, then we use meter. And if the size is very bigger, then we use kilometer. Okay, thank you.